Your funnels are leaking money, and you don't even realize it. If you're a coach still relying on traditional marketing funnels in 2025, you're watching potential clients slip through your fingers every single day. Let me guess, you're spending thousands on meta ads, sending traffic to a landing page with a 2% conversion rate, and wondering why your calendar isn't filled with calls. That's because the old funnel model is broken. Today, I'm gonna show you the content ecosystem that's replacing traditional funnels and helping coaches like you generate consistently 50k months without the stress or uncertainty. This isn't about creating more content. It's about creating the right content that meets your potential clients at every stage of awareness. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to build this ecosystem for your coaching business, so you can stop wasting money on ineffective funnels and start attracting clients who are already sold before they even get on a call with you. So let's dive straight into my screen and I'll show you how everything works. So the traditional funnels are failing, and that's because you're running expensive ads, probably to a landing page with a VSL, and then try to book a call, and you have something like a 2% conversion rate. And the reason is because you're running ads to a cold audience. They are very expensive because no one is converting. They are completely unaware that they even have a problem or that there's a solution for it. Once they watch the ad, they might realize, oh, I actually have a problem, so they go to your landing page, watch the VSL, and they realize, oh, there's a solution to my problem, so they book a call, but you haven't built enough authority yet for them to actually close and become a client. So how do we fix this then? Well, the content ecosystem. You have a few different stages in your funnel, or let's say ecosystem. You're posting consistently on some of these funnels. You funnel them in to your long form content. They might start seeing your ads, you collect their emails, they join your newsletter. And after that, they actually become aware, they know you, and they go to your landing page, watch some free trainings, webinars, and then book a call, and in the middle you have your offer. And once they are at this stage, they are consuming all of your content already. So they are super nurtured. And you see what the problem is. If you're just running ads, have no social proof, no way for people to get nurtured, that's a big problem. You might know the 5 stages of customer awareness. We have unaware, problem aware, solution aware, product aware, and most aware. Unaware, that's where most people are, and you shouldn't really be targeting these people in the first place, especially with ads. Majority of the people are still in a problem aware or solution aware stage. So they know that they have a problem. These are the people that you want to target because they have probably already started. For example, these people have no idea that there's a problem that they should be working out, for example, that they can get cancer, heart attacks, and so on. But these people already know that they are overweight and need to go to the gym. And then they move into like, there's actually a solution to this problem. So I need to go to the gym, and then they become product aware. Oh, this guy, he's coaching, he's teaching how to actually be effective in the gym and stay consistent, and most aware, that's when they are ready to buy. So how the customer awareness ecosystem works then? We have initial exposure. That's going to be Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, and you want to entertain, educate, and build curiosity with people. And this is like the top of your funnel where you post all of these short form content on LinkedIn, TikTok. You don't have to post on all of these platforms, but at least a few. I would recommend Instagram and LinkedIn at least, maybe X as well. And if you have a younger audience, then TikTok might be a good solution, and YouTube Shorts. Then we dive into problem aware, where we build basically deeper connection with long form content on YouTube, LinkedIn, and podcasts. You show expertise, solve problems, and build trust with your audience. And yeah, that's when you funnel in from your short form content into your long form content and build even more trust with your audience. Then we have stage 3, which is solution aware. People know that there's a solution to their problem. And that's when you capture the lead information. Through ads, through DM strategies, you contact people in the DMs, you have email opt-ins and lead magnets where you capture their information and put them into a email list, newsletter, or so on. You provide proof that your solution actually works. You use case studies, testimonials, and success stories. And then we dive into product aware. And you continue engaging your audience. You nurture them through more reels, stories, emails, and more YouTube. And the thing is, when you nurture these people, they are consuming all of your content. They are in these stages right here. They consume all of your content across all of the different platforms. And that's when you actually build really good trust with your audience, and they start trusting in you and believing in you, and that your solution, your product is the only solution for them. And then stage 5, when they are most aware, you add call to actions to book a call, you run a webinar where you sell them on your service, you have a sales page where you have a VSL or a webinar, and then you close them also in DMs. So you use promotional tactics to encourage immediate action for people. So let's dive a bit deeper into the content ecosystem then. This is where most people start. They start with short form content on some of these platforms, and most people that consume this content are completely unaware of that they have a problem solution or that you even offer something. This is the top of the funnel. But once they consume enough of your content, they start to realize that they have a problem. So they become problem aware. And they start consuming your long form content, they start receiving ads, they get opt into a email, newsletter, and they consume all of this content from you. And they become solution aware. There's actually a solution for my problem. Then slowly they get moved into product aware. They consume all of your content still, and they realize you actually have a product. So they go to your landing page, they join your webinar, you talk to them in the DMs, and they actually book a call, and that's when they become most aware, and then you close them. And once they are in the product aware stage, they consume all of your content. So it's very easy once they book the call to actually close them, because they know they are on a sales call. They know what your product is and what your unique solution is to their problems. So you see where the funnel is broken. It's not profitable to run ads to a landing page and then try to book a call, because most people are not nurtured enough. It's not enough to just show them one quick video and then close them on the call. We actually tested this for ourselves, and I know Alex Hormozi did it as well. People have to watch like between 3 to 4 long form videos for you to actually become a client. That's the minimum. So if you're not posting on social media while running ads, you're missing out on a lot of clients and a lot of deals. So you need to be posting on at least 2 platforms, short form content. You need to be posting long form content. This could be on YouTube, it can be on LinkedIn, it can also be podcasts, and then newsletters. So you write blogs, newsletters, and so on. You can't just be relying on one single platform. I see a lot of people just relying on Instagram, trying to close deals in the DMs, and they have everything out of place, and they run maybe some ads to their Instagram page, and it's very hard and not consistent at all. So this is essentially the content ecosystem that you need to implement into your funnel and business. Now, you can go and implement this into your coaching business right now. But if you actually want help implementing this, because we have done it for countless of businesses and we've seen really good results with this, I recommend clicking the link down below and checking out Agency Hub or School Community. In this community, we have a few classrooms where we actually teach about content creation, building your funnels out, and so on. You can consume all of this content, but where you find the most value is on the live calls, where we actually dive into everyone's businesses, we work on their problems and build out the funnels and so on. And these calls are weekly. And you get all of this for a small investment of $197 a year, which is insane considering we are doing weekly live calls. That means you get 52 live calls a year, and that comes out to like under $4 for each call, which is insane. So yeah, the price is gonna definitely go up. Check the link down below and join Agency Hub, and let's start scaling your business, building your business. And with that being said, I hope you liked this video. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.